Welcome back. So this is our Telegram group. We drop non-marketing signals every single day. And trust me, once you start understanding the logic behind each setup, trading with confidence. So yeah, as you can see here, the first signal was for Cisco OTC for the call side. You can check out. It was an amazing win. Yeah, so in this trade, the market gave us 3 continuous red candles, but none of them could engulf the previous green candle. Then something interesting happened. The next 4 candles formed perfectly, covering every wick from the left side. That was a signal for shifting to the upside, and that was when we confirmed that we have to enter this trade for the call side, and it was an amazing win. You can check out amazing win. Yeah, so next signal was for McDonald OTC for the call side. In this trade, the chart printed back-to-back red candles, but the last one told the story. It left a massive wick on the upper side, clear sign of buying pressure building up. So we entered this trade for the call side, and once again it hit beautifully. There was a rejection. We won this trade. Then the next signal was from McDonald OTC again for the call side. Yeah, here you can check out. Maybe you can understand what happened right here, but I will explain also. The previous green candle had completely engulfed the red one, and it confirmed the continuation of the bullish momentum. We didn't hesitate to take this as an upside, follow the structure, and yeah, another easy win. You can check out. Yes, you can just check out amazing wins for today. Cisco OTC, McDonald's OTC, amazing wins. So this is what happens when you stop guessing and start understanding how really the price works. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.